right face.
Do you want to have a look?
And can you give me the description?
Do you want to leave, SP?
Eh?
Do you want to leave?
No.
Hmm?
No. But we are going to, because then breakfast has already been served.
And stripes.
Also some black vodka.
Yes, and also the black stripe on the face.
Have it in here. I'll show you blood.
Super, thank you. Yes.
So what do you think the bird is doing, Miss Guide?
He's roosting.
Are you the guy?
Sorry. Didn't hear guy. So he's roosting. As Stacey has mentioned in the past, they aren't able to move their eyes, and that's why they are able to move their heads to such a wide extent, to be able to look directly at what sound it is, or what they're to look at. But even though his eyes are closed here, he's still listening to everything that's going on around him. So those birds here, he's listening directly at them. Yeah?
Guy,
Yes.
am I able to remove myself from the vehicle in case of shot?
Mr. T, not at all.
Yes.
Is our guest allowed to try to get a closer shot?
It's quite unfortunate because we're not able to do that. If he jumps out of the vehicle, then the owl will fly away. And I'm sure in his head he wants a flight shot. But that's not ethical. And I can